recreate this 3D graphic with me right now in Illustrator. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is create your text. Just type in whatever you want. So I'm going to do courtside sessions right here. And then I'm going to make it a bright color, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm just going to choose this. And then you're going to click your text, right click, and then click Create Outlines. I'll create a square. I'm going to make it black, like that. And then click Arrange, and then Send to the back. Make it a little bit bigger. Just go over to Window, and then down to Pathfinder. But right now I have this in my window here. And then I'm going to go to this, which is minus front. Click that, and amazing. So it basically makes the text transparent, as you can see there. To go to 3D and materials and click inflate. Now I'm going to create another square to get that yellow color and send it to the back. If you click the 3D square, what you're going to see is this panel, and it shows a few different things. So in the object, you can mess around with the depth of it. So I could maybe change that a little bit. I want to mess around with the lighting and kind of move the lighting over. Now to see what it's really going to look like, you're going to click this render button in the top right hand corner. That's the effect. If you guys like this tutorial, make sure to like and follow, and I will see you next time.